Okay, London session done. I took one trade on UK100. Okay, so UK100. What I saw on UK100, bullish today. However, so the other day yesterday I took this trade, breakout level, breakout. Next day's closed as an inside day, but under that breakout level. So initially was looking for sells to the next breakout level, which is this one right here. Didn't get there and faked out the previous day low. When you fake out the previous day low, I was trying to trade a counter trend breakout right down to that breakout level, fake that out instead so that it turns into a breakout continuation back up to the peak. So this was a trade I took yesterday right back up to the peak. And so now it faked out that high and it becomes a breakout reversal again. So price always does the same thing over and over again. Starts in a range until it breaks out, and then at some point it'll fake out its peak, make its way down, cross that breakout level, and then reverse bias. Same thing over and over and over again. So today, since we're in a breakout reversal cycle on UK100, I was looking for a high of the day sell. Coming into the session at 2 p.m. Jakarta time, which is London Open. What I saw is that we had triggered the H8 low. Actually, let me remove all this. We had triggered the H8 breakout level. We triggered the H8 low, and we also have a breakout level right there. So H8 actually is in a breakout continuation cycle if it stays up. So I was a bit worried about that. I thought it's possibly the H8 is going to turn bullish and go right back up. So I did not take any early entry on this. Was waiting for the H8 to get triggered, but it never got triggered. Had an alert right there. Didn't touch the H8. However, it did touch the H4. I have the H4 on my 1 minute. H4 was right here. So it did trigger this previous H4 high. So I was okay to take a sell up here, but because the H8 breakout level was right here, H8 is bullish, I really wanted this to break first. So I waited for that M15 to close. M15 closed and also took out that M15 breakout level. So the M15 is now bearish. And so I entered straight off the M15, pulled back. Price pulled back and I entered on the break of that candle straight down to the breakout level, and I took my partials here, and my target is previous day low. So it took partials 2.4, 2.5 R, and runners aiming for the previous day low. So that was it. That's the only trade that I took in London. I was also looking at DE30. I still had my runners from yesterday, still in it. So I took all of this already. Most breakouts fail, so my runners are up right under this H8 high. So let's see if this breakout fails or not. So coming into the session, we had the previous H8 high and a previous day high right here. So I was looking for a breakout, but it happened early, and so I was looking for on a breakout, I'm looking for an M15 low fake out to take it up, but it never came down to trigger that M15 low. So there was no setup for me over here. I also saw that we're on the monthly levels, same like my Nikkei trade in Asia. We're at the month direction level. So this is the monthly open. So this is also a possible time that I could take a reversal, faked out previous month low. I'm not going to counter trade a monthly level unless I get a fake out of a weekly level. Did not fake out, broke out of that weekly level. I'm not going to counter trade this weekly level unless I get a fake out of the previous day. So I'm actually waiting for this to possibly take a reversal, but I think we have news in about 30 minutes, so I'm not going to be taking any trades on this. But the idea, I was thinking of taking a reversal from up here. I could have taken a aggressive one up here. Once the M15 changed bias, I could do that, but it's not really my style to be that aggressive unless I'm in New York. So this is a possible reversal trade back down. And but no, I did not take any DE30 trade. Last one was gold. I didn't take gold. Said in Asia that I was wary about this. Came back up, was looking for a breakout, but I think it happened. Yeah, I mean, I had no entry to come back in. Needed an M15 low fake out to take it, and that did not happen. So that was it. I also looked at my Forex pairs, had a bunch of signal days. Everything basically was invalid except for GBP CAD. Was looking for a high of the day sell. On this, it was a fake out day. I was looking for a sell back down to, so we have this breakout level here, breakout reversal. I was looking for, this is a previous day low. I was looking for a sell down to the previous day low and possibly turn into a counter trend breakout or come back for a breakout continuation back to the upside. But 2 p.m. Price had already triggered this H8 high, and I needed some sort of high to a high fake out to take it down, but none of these faked out the high, and then you have an inside bar right here, and this extends the range of the previous bar, and so after that I was not interested. I have an alert back up here. It created another range on the H1, but yeah, I'm not going to be trading because there's news coming up. So that was that, and then I think EuroCAD was the last one that I was thinking about. This one was a trend retracement setup. Faked out the H8 low right here, and I was waiting for this to come back in, but never did. And so that was out. We got below. Once we got below that day breakout level, I wasn't interested. And also coming into London, we were actually in a large range on the H1. So did not trade Forex. I only traded UK100 in London. And yeah, that's it. Oil kind of doing its own thing. Um, yeah, did not look at oil. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm still in this one. It's moving quite nice now. Let's see what happens. All right, that's it.